Good morning, friends. Today we are discussing lesson number 4, disaster management. In the last lecture, we are already discussed disasters and types of disaster and some homework of classification I have given. Now, in this lecture, we are discuss about the important disaster earthquake. Look at here the reasons of earthquake and the effect of the earthquakes I have given, and also how the floods are occur. We are facing now the problem of floods in Mumbai and also in other regions of our country. Loss of life, loss of property is the main problems, effects of this earthquake and floods also. Now the storms, when there is, how the storm occur, when there is a formation of high and low air pressure belts, then the in the atmosphere there storms occur. Here is also the loss of property is the main, then destruction of electricity supply. These are the main reasons. Next disaster is the forest fires. Now when there is a forest fire, an uncontrolled fire in a forest, pasture or grassland due to a natural or man-made causes that cause a forest fire. इफेक्ट क्या हो सकता है? ग्रेट डैमेज टू नेचुरल वेल्थ एंड बायोडाइवर्सिटी, पॉल्यूशन ऑफ एयर. ऑब्वियसली द न्यूज इज you have already heard the news that the Amazon jungle got a forest fire for so many days. Due to this, the loss of many properties of animals and plants also. Now the next disaster is our disaster. What is a disaster management? You are given the contact numbers of the disaster management, the police, fire brigade, ambulance. And this is the most important, that one our moral responsibility. And to prevent or reduce the damage caused by natural or man-made disaster, emergency planning and management is must required. That is the most important. Some remedial measures and preventive measures are here given, that keep watching TV and radio news for the alertness of these all disasters. Use battery operated radios and mobiles, as there is a possibility of current cut off. Therefore, use battery operated radios and mobiles. Heed the warning issued by the meteorological department careful. Meteorological department is give all these information about the all natural disasters, weather related information. Now take shelter in relief camps, as they provide medicine. If there is any disaster, then take shelter in relief camps. Provide medicine, food packages, drinking water, first aid, all these provided by our disaster management. To get protection from fire, use fire extinguishers in public places like school, hospitals, railway station, etc. First aid, what is the first aid also here given, that in डे टू डे लाइफ समटाइम वी हैव टू फेस डिजास्टर. हमारे रोज़ के जीवन में भी कभी कभी ये सारे डिजास्टर हो सकते हैं, जल सकते हैं, हम लोग गिर सकते हैं, सम देर इज bruises, cuts on our hands, accidents are there. Then such a condition, it is necessary to give some immediate aid even before medical treatment becomes available. These are we see one by one. First one is the external bleeding. If there is external bleeding due to the any accident, any cut, any bruises when you are playing, then what you have to do? You have to do that, clean the bleeding part of the body with water and keep it above the level of the heart, so that the flow of the blood will not flowing. The next one is that the burns and scars, minor burns. कभी कभी छोटे से जल जाते हैं हम लोग खाना बनाते समय, या कभी कभी बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें हम लोग जल जाते हैं. देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? उस समय में हमें क्या करना है? द इंज्योर्ड पार्ट शुड बी वॉश्ड विथ वाटर और हेल्ड अंडर वाटर. गिव द विक्टिम वाटर टू ड्रिंक. Clean the wounds using cotton swab, soak in an antiseptic solution. Bernol is the most common antiseptic used on burns and scars. Cover wounds using dry dressing. When there is a serious burns, then cover the wound with a sterilized cloth. Remove jewelry, shoes, etc. Do not touch or burst the blister on the skin. When the blister, फोड़े जब आ जाते तो उन्हें टच नहीं करना, ना ही उन्हें ब्रेक करना है. Do not apply oil ointments Remove the cloth if it's stuck to the burnt skin. Sometime when there is a nylon terylene cloth, then they will stuck to our skin, then don't remove it. When you try to remove it, then the flesh will coming out with that clothes. So always use cotton clothes when you are near the fire and work near the fires. Now the second, and when there is if the patient is conscious, give water to drink but avoid tea or coffee or other stimulating drinks, and get medical at once. Now the next disaster is that sunstroke. धूप लगना, जब तुम्हें धूप लगती है तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. कभी कभी क्या होता है, व्हेन वी वन सन कंटिन्यूसली, हम जब धूप में बहुत देर तक काम करते हैं या कभी ज़्यादा देर तक कभी घूमने जाते हैं, देन हमारे बॉडी से बॉडी लॉस loses a lot of water and minerals. That is the reason for sunstroke. Many times also the advertise is coming out that the sun is taking all the water from our head with the help of our pipes. Then you have to give the Glucon D, because in that Glucon D there is a solution of sugar, salt and water, and also orange flavor for the flavor. Orange essence and orange flavors, orange juice is added in some quantity. That ORS is there, solution is there to fulfill the water the sunstroke. Now the next one is the sun bite. There are nearly 2000 species of snakes. When there is a snake bite, then what you get a remedies? Only few like cobras, poisonous snake, cobras and kraits and vipers and sea snakes are poisonous. Therefore all snake bites are not fatal. लेकिन सभी के सभी snakes क्या रहते हैं, जहरीले नहीं रहते हैं. बट फिर भी हमारे डर मन में डर रहता है एंड साइकोलॉजिकल शॉक और ट्रूमा रहता है. तो इसीलिए हमें क्या करना, इफ़ यू came across a snake bite, then contact a सर्पमित्र rather than killing the snake at once. सर्पमित्र को बुलाना चाहिए, फायर ब्रिगेड वाले को कॉल करना चाहिए. then the fire brigade will help you to call the सर्पमित्र and they come and excuse the snake and you get rid of it, that snake. When you have a snake bite, then what is the remedy? Wash the wound with water, give emotional support to the patient, tie a cloth tightly above the wound, get immediate medical help. That one is the most important. Now the last one is the dog bite. Sometime when you are playing with the dog, yeah, when you are teasing the dog, then the dog will bite you. Then there is a risk of infection through the blood. Hence, first standard medical help are necessary. What is remedial? Before the medical help, what is the remedial measures? Wash the wound with a solution of potassium permanganate with a clean and dry cloth. Get a doctor's help and injection of the anti-rabies vaccine. In my age, when we have a dog bite, then we need to take injections अराउंड अवर नेवल. हमारे नाभि के आजू बाजू में 14 इंजेक्शंस लेने पड़ते थे, बट नाउ डेज यू हैव टू टेक ओनली 3 or 4 इंजेक्शंस alternate days and you get rid of this dog bite. Now here students, we have finished our chapter and I will send you the exercise question and answers through a PDF. Till students, bye bye.